Introduction to Google Workspace Automation.
Google Workspace Automation helps you save time by reducing repetitive tasks across Gmail, Drive, Sheets, and more. By using built-in features and add-ons, even beginners can streamline their workflow. In this guide, you'll learn simple steps to get started and discover practical ways to supercharge productivity using the tools you already have.
Exploring built-in tools, Google Apps Script.
Google Apps Script is a free tool that lets you customize and automate tasks within Google Workspace apps like Sheets and Docs. With simple scripts, you can send custom emails, manage files, or create reports with just a few clicks. No advanced coding skills are required. Google provides ready-to-use templates and examples for beginners.
Automating with Google Workspace add-ons.
The pre-built extensions you can install to add extra functionality and automate tasks. Popular options include workflow automation tools, email schedulers, and file management helpers. Browse the Google Workspace Marketplace to find trusted add-ons, then follow simple installation steps to set them up and start saving time immediately.
Practical examples of automation.
You can automate everyday tasks like organizing your Gmail labels, generating custom Google Calendar events, or backing up Google Drive files. For example, set up rules in Gmail to auto-sort incoming messages, or use an add-on to merge data in Google Sheets. These small automations can add up to big productivity gains.
Tips for getting started and staying secure.
Start small. Choose one task to automate and learn by doing. Always review permissions when using add-ons and scripts to keep your data secure. Check Google's support resources and user communities for guidance and troubleshooting tips. As you grow more confident, combine different tools for advanced automations that truly fit your workflow.